Success man ko dan patungo to be by ang thoughts ka on ikasawa yung flight.
Right, soldier, move! One step forward, more! In place, mark time, more! Up, 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 up. Forward, more!
Mentorki oras ang tertenaga sa flight so late.
Seated. Hold. Right. Hold. 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 Right. Right. Turn. Hold on.
Try return and then start at the side. Go to the side. Salomon Castle, yang seremai, dan kawin dia, oh kalau macam mereka. Saya tampil tangan dan dulu program dan dibuat di tangan. Oh iban penuh juga ya, wow, saya betul saudara, mainan itu dan betul. Setiap bunga, marah main pun kabar, kue kuat kurar, lekin mau, lekin lingan, lekin kabar. Main pun kabar, dia berkecilan malar pasai lele, kai rom lima siang kawan, kau terjaga, terlihat. Nanti saya sebelum kosan dengan marainan rambut mesan selpan. Sekaping di kosan di koros pelelis makan lau. Nabiar yang dengan di selpan. Mai po tabalat. I po tamen menasan tamen koros poi. I po tamen meya sayo rambut pilkan po. Non kawan. Kasi sa pagmamahal ko sa niranggot, sengka kayo pinawasak setpan kuprong. O sengka pagkatungap kuprong o sa pagmamahal ko sa niranggot. Kayo paniranggot, o yung kakasal pan kuprong and kapuyang katete pan kuprong. O miray sirigay. Nagkain sa kalat at malpukuan kasal. Yung pananrangot ang kakateteman kupromi, utut, and keep kanainay rangot. 7:30 sa pulmar, may sarawin sa pulmar, may sarawin. Renkatin parane o ng programan rangot. Renkatin kalwa, programot sang itap, o yelni. Erepetin year and kakjayang kitbukat masay salir pang when yang kaway katawakan rangot o kawawi katawakan rangot kung kating kasarawiyan ang levers ng programan rangot when kaksarawi o manaman isang kaubekan ako kating kabayan ang levers nilang kabayan irat kaong Soting kalam. Koros wow,
kasaput and Owa Christian High School. Hey, morning man, Patriot H1 Sakarata, H1 Sakaratan, Kaypuni, and Principal, and Martin Wing. Sunarkan, Sakaratan Wawla, and Sunarkan, and Wing Matini. You can't Matini, Nankan Matini. Kapretan and Bollywood H1 Sakaratan, wow, Google Lenso, Duke Lenso. No way Labala, South and Madrid, or Labala Forest, and Kali Tiak, Patoan, my little Cooper, where the guidance and the Mawati, out to the Patoan. You been back to one of the answer, wow, Jessica, Ria, H1, Sakaratan, wow, all Marin, President, and Senate. They one for Nico Johnny. O Mountain Senior Pastor at UCCB Conway, Pueblo Owa Christian High School, one for Forest, the young cat was success, or Mesorian Part was success, Pueblo, Pansa, and Pueblo, a wow, John UCCB Conway. He met to one of the answer, what been one to bed. Senior Momocho no Apuebiowa, or one Parakan, or Solan Momocho no Purma, the science at Medata, with the dog, the Sabumus and Karjawi, and Momocho no, the Laman problem. H1 wow, Pan Kapula, bound to medal, whatever Saikan and Stone Bay State Legislature. May Honorable Floor Leader Abraham, Senator Carr, Senator Ned, o Jubanda to Mangala Senator Perez, Tamato Yang Patel, Set December in Rana. H1 wanted to manage, sort of Lapala Associate Church, Conway State, Nikon Johnny. Wow, what even Tokati, his dad, and Wayne Net, Honorable Edgar. If you remember, wanted to manage William College School. Chief and secondary. Ipilmer mo ang meron. Gasto kasampalkan koros, bato to kasampalkan koros, sang na newe o sang na newe matili. Wawat tani wow ni right serikan, men kasapulkan di point the top of the Kuyen kak kawan itu orang sekretar William Meron option wait matili. Option Mercator Labala, option Karya Mercator Labala, we believe, or look at Kubu Chorus, Nan Katsi Kasampal Rao, Kasapur Rao, Nan Momochonoa, Nan Way Matlevi. Why can you Salatak Namusakse? San Plumwood, or Bandet, Anshawev, Kasaput, the dog, Kasarawan Kasaput Pan. Why can you Salatak? Air Momocho made in well equipped with Wasan Salatan kan, berfoto, kali sekolah, asal bermain ban pulpi, main kali tu kawin berai-berai, contoh tu kan, bawa Christian High School kan, orang dekat kawin sekolah. Iman tak beraya, itu kalau sekarang kasamu, harus dapat percaya itu harus main kecil, kan, dan program itu seperti itu, ada di luar.
Sekretario Pertahanan Kalangan Pemkai dan Sang Parlemen yang bersangkutan mengucapkan selamat kemerdekaan. Direktur Pembangunan Tansan harus kuitan mereka sepuluhan. Bulan Jamin Parlemen Parlemen Iran itu sekitar lain. Sebenarnya kawan yang lain berkata, masuk bantuan juga. Jonathan Norman, only as a historian remarked.
finally graduated. It is with great pleasure for me to stand on behalf of the graduating class of 2022 to extend our sincere appreciation to all those who in any way have assisted in making this important occasion possible. First, we would like to thank our supporters, mostly for principals and staff for everything you have done for us during our school years, under your guidance and supervision. We appreciate your advice, patience, and hard work you've done for us. And we promise that we will use everything you taught us to guide us to light the way through any darkness to reach our goal. Next, for our loving parents, friends, husbands, and wives. We wouldn't have made it through this journey without all your immense love and support. Without you all, we wouldn't have made it this far. And we would like to remind you a motto and life goal. Behind a good man, there's always a great woman. Fellow graduates, can you believe it? We are all graduating. Let's all look back and cherish all the memories we made and shared together. Today we are celebrating our accomplishment, but I just want to remind each and every one of us that we are not ending our journey today, but the start of a new chapter. As the saying goes, success doesn't rush, and even our dreams do not have expiration dates. Take a deep breath and try harder at that. Special thanks to the taxi services for taking us back and forth every day in the morning and evening. You will be now remembered and we will miss all the rides. Lastly but not the least, to our brothers and sisters who will remain in our school. Stay focused and work even harder to bring good name to our school and to show just how much we can accomplish. You are the future of our school. To conclude, I would like to thank each and every one of you today. Once again, thank you so much for your presence. It is your strong belief in us that strengthens our dream that we will be the Bombay of tomorrow. Salamat and congratulations to the class of 2023.
Senior pastor dan memutsuhkan. So mesin ko siya memutsuhkan. Kung saan memutsuhkan patularan yang ada dari itu. Kung hindi kita dapat korsen jadi memutsuh Wong Christine Senator, Abraham Ned, Senior Pastor, Medan, Kumaitun School kan, kasar-kasar ko'y tamaw ng school, kuya-kuya sa Briyaw. Mohon kepakakan, nonokan, pucay korupsi. Ransaro ng Katunaro, siyang babakon, katanan, kapulpit mo naman. Kailangan yung kumain mo naman. Kung tatawag makan, na kumain, katskiyang pinili. Yung ranuan, isang tatawag makan naman. Kasalita ruwa, rin sa natin sirikan ranuan, ng diskusyon ng ranuan. Even yung saya ranuan, nagkasasabulkan, saya mayang patyan kasabuluan, nasilaw ng nauwan, awiyak isakis kasambaliw, kung kumuhi, o kung isakis kasambaliwan, awiyak na ng panor sa hanggang po. Kung sabulan na, lalarang sa. Siya awiyak pasanti yung po. Kaya banda siya niya taramas. Waramas yung dapat na kuwan isang usap yung natatong. Gusto niya magitin accident yun. Nagpamumiya ito rangon. Nagpumayad kasi sa bulto rangon. Totoo po, awiyak na. Ewan kong tayo niya kaya. Sermaya, kira daw ew, kira tayo, o limaw. Kung ano ka nasa niyang suko, muna yung iyong ipinokata. Kung muna mo ikuti, ay ipinokata. Ay sensan ka naman rano. Noro, may kasipin rano. Kagiyang sermaya. Kalukoy ang amaw ng wika. Kasi pinangaroon ng kaparang ng silbi na katuwan na Pilipin ni Maraway. Kumain na taruya. Imunan ang may katuwan ng ngor na kampay. Dahil may pagkasambuan ng masa ng buksaroon na kau na masa niyang sarmaya at kailan ada kapay na kampay. Kumain dan katanya amai ono ng school. Sa kusinya, gusto ba karon pagkanta kan kasalita wa ko to school. Apen nan chupo. Kailangan ng kawit ko na kumapakita ng matumal. Yung mamakan dan disiplina. Sintawid mo naman Kismen kapadayang kami sukup sermayan ketik yang terang medan kumain makasih mainan katayawai mainan puruto usah-usahki yang main macam-macam nanaman mo saan puksa nanaman mo mutsoka nanaman kausak nanaman mo sabon macay orang kemasan ni kumain mo kamarayan puksa dari yang main biuya, dan serta yang main berpelukan, dan masan kosong. Lebih kata kau tapanan, ini ralau teu, ira cucu masa ni, makanan kalau pengga, atau hutan ban namun kupu, lembuti kawan-kawan kepada kacauan masa, so. Dalam kekot, kan pakahapot, kan wawan kekot, kan kesempat kekot. Iwawan dalam kekot. Niatay makasala yung kekot, irabukan, for sure, may bangkay na may. Or laban nasa mo may katawan dosa, kaniyan dosa words of wisdom. Ay pangkapataya, signs of wisdom. Kilalakan, kahit kanjak ngip, kahit kanjak kapakaparot, apoy cuman mukit. Kung kasalata is niya, ang kasalata is kong rin John Ocean, rin Kanini, rin Momotso, rin sabi man tayo, kawasan na rin ka, nag-ono ka kiyang tayo, emasan niya. Ganito kang gaunang po, saan nang kapilyo mo siya, o ngumyo mo siya, o lamanang o kaya mo siya po, kaman. Ayiman, ituwal, siya was, o siya matay ba ng rano, meron, o kumain mo kasi kasabulkan, o tayo nurukan tayo, kailangan mo po.
I would like to thank you for your support you have provided me, by which I have earned huge graduating success. I am very grateful to you all. I appreciate everything you've done, and I love you. This is to all parents, mother and father. I'd like to express my gratitude to my friends and family. Thank you guys. This would not be possible without you, relentless support and care. Whatever time I do the wells, it will be Dear family and friends, thank you for being there and supporting me throughout my whole life. I couldn't ask for better memories. I hope you can always be a part of my life. Love you all. Daniel Edgar Jr. Dad, you are the one who owe my success to because you are the one who has worked so hard for so many years. Thank you, Mom and Dad, and congratulations to you guys. I have big dreams for graduating. I love you guys so much. Heart-shaped treatment. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all your support. You guys never fail me to amaze me with your dedication to do things right. Your love for our family and God is amazing. You have all that I need. Thank you. Thanks to you all. God bless. Melissa Samuel. Today, I just want to thank God for the gift of life. No requests, no complaints, just thankful to be alive. Thank you, parents, for loving me and taking good care of me. The older I get, the more I realize that you guys were always right. Thank you and love you guys. Yolanda Norman. To Mom and Dad, the word thank you is never enough to express how thankful I am to have you both as my parents. Having you both as my parents is a blessing that I very much appreciate and would never trade for anything else in this world. And I wouldn't be standing here if it wasn't for you. Support, guidance, and encouragement that you have given me through all these years. Thank you, Mom, Dad. I love you. Juanita Nadia. Dear parents, no matter what we go through, no matter how many times I wanted to move away, no matter how many times I get mad at you guys, it was all for my protection, good decision, making better what is right. I will always love you guys because in the end, they will always be there for me. Thank you. Last but not least, Kate Ernest. To my family and friends, I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for your generous wishes on my birthday. Your support helped me to achieve my dreams. It is great to have you both as my mom, favorite, and special two people in the world. Thank you again, and I love you. Tribune, saya Tribune lakban ng Tribune. Oh, malang. Kailangan natin ang bawat kita. Araw Bilbao, Ultimo. Vietnam, Krishnanan dan Namden Sumatera Selatan Hanwat. Namun sekarang model dan juga dengan mana yang Hanwat di Nyano, Ekor, mereka KBC Sumatera Pino Speaker Hanwat. Mene di tuan wau ta dokter seri tuan na uya kawasan pe cile pe sabun macai kasarau ke sempat na ko ba to na ni ba asan ni yang pa to na ko school no tere school no wa ya so na ko ta school na pagkisya mo chi na ko ta na wa madali ni na fit wala fit wala siya kwali to social media kau sakang ye isma macam kesebutsan di dalam bahasa yang mana ka preman macam kesebutsan school work aman tebullo at malas and renate aman tay ko sumang ipatuan luwalan perna chapin main goldberg na nagsam school chapta na may missionary ka Patutudiam kay soso pagkatao ko turangot schoolwat kaya utakala H1 couple Om kataw naman pwede siyang ikapoy-poytan sa pagmatay ko ang tapan ko kaya yan sirpat kaksan-san mo kung kailangan may kaitan ka na Takkan ka school, maririn sa tayo. Kayo sa high school. Mereka sama-sama mereka dua jasa rupat, mereka cuma po, arai ka school saya musik, usai atau siapa mereka cuma po, bela saya musik. Jadi cuma kerja usaha sekarang ini pun saya mencatat apa kebutuhan tambah uang. Nagsis ko no guys, masa ni umay sa ano inakan kumaiter, kamakaraman umay sirikan, at umay kayani rin ka ng katakan sulat, utama rin ng uya, hindi sulat. Kaya, nito na tayo ka utakan po kayo, uya, kisyan mamawro siya ka ng po. Tataw nono, tapuan tataw nono, tapuan talay. At chapta niya sa siriya katarang kape, hititik ang so nagsaksin borwat o pan kasabayan sa uwot niya sa kutay ng Espanya ayayin ang so sa kutay kung pwede hititik sa kutay sa H1 kapong solo tokat management and school work pwede kakyang kajay sa kutay kasi pwede tangon minsan mo kung uya pa sa meron H1 kapong Ini dilakukan dalam manajemen school work. Kuya kisah ni kawin pada kita mengungkapkan satu macam ti kesempuan. Cara lah, kalau saya ada satu macam dia benar benar sosial namun kekacauan. You are the lights of the world. Pemain kamaran insan. Di kamera ni sosial kawin pun tadi lasan para lakukan teamwork. Nakonay Brian Serpat, nagmay takong ka. Kuya kita, iiray na kami na kung may takak upan. Imakaray na ikot sa kasong kakete, ararakot sa kasong kakete yung na iiray na kamarayin bansan ka. You are the light of the world. Utang may pangamuya, sa wasan ka, kawit ka. Kung tayo nga ng wasan social bilbil, magmanitin. Ng motso, ng siya, dengan kau. Saya tayo patulan, yung may karagan ng Cagayan High School. Saya may cecep, may yung may social, kawin kamay, napol kamay, ng selang, ng sumpat tayo. Aksang ni Bay, lalapot, pag may biyahe sa ulit ng katanono, umelen, kasang niya school, ayayin masan-san lang. May kausap, tagal ka school, tayo na school. Dari, asang po itawat, magmay tiyarangot, pag may takliw kasen, may takliw juwang, may takliw tulong, ng tagal ka school, ng katulog ng college, ay rasilu, may platak, ng 2008, Festival sa awas kabataan sa ulan ng Suso. Kayo, dahil, labing mata, kautaban, nanamar sa laman. Kalau isu masa bagaimana dalam keutamaan yang kuat berapa? Awe nanti amai lana umumnya keutamaan pantosan autam mewat memakalkan mewat mempum mewat memau. Kuentak biang kumai mainkan wewe punya kuat aman dan iba katanya kawan yang Wontak piyang may mayantak nasyak o berkit uyatang nepot nasyak. Kariyaw, are. Epsos mono riyaw silu masa ni kakati siya ng oinaw, yung kusyon na may ilaw niya. O kanikak ko ikamaw, umoboray minsan. Naweweti, kumain ka kasampan ni kata o kaway ng kapanoon. Para kaway kan kaway kumain ng sailak ng mga words. Para penaw kan kapayata. Naman kumain ng wasakan o ay super ng sailak ng mga words. Kaya sa plan, iramin patuwan sa waskit. Patuwasan na sermaya yung ulit lima. Nasa ni Mone tiyang no, ipilu kata. Umono ibuti, ipiyu kata, pagkuyala suko and buhay. Naweweti, naman kumain. Udang ka na kasyapan ko wang tayo. Welcome ko lang, gogamay, saramay, ong kabibuitan ko kasyapan, lukod, pasalan tiyang. Naman kumain. Nansay kapan ko, nasosya man tangkak kuya, darap yan, umaw, buwan sa tayo. Ikamere ng pagpapananan siya kung pagpapita ired para nagsiluwat, then you are the light of the world. Ay matik magsuwat ko naman.
मैं पूरा kalungkot panjang ni Patuan. I, the authority vested upon me as the representative of the Bombay State Department of Education to the Owa Christian Academy High School commencement ceremony. On this day, May 13, 2022, and on behalf of the director, I accept as well as declare that the class of 2022 graduates have met all the requirements set forth for secondary education, and today's exercise signifies their completion. Congratulations, graduate, and God bless you all. Salamat.
Assisted by Principal Yvonne Roby. Daniel Edgar Loya valedictorian, highest honor in English, mathematics, or science. Yolanda Norman, Loya valedictorian, high honor in science, high honor in mathematics, high honor in English. Janus Edgar, most improved student. And so it's very kailangan Senator. Minod Rupert, Honorable Senator Afra, and Texas Captain Yawis. RJ Even. Ini bukan sesuatu lebih kata yang betul betul kata yang ini ibu bukan lebih kata yang terus saya bukan mentor sampai ini sampai komitmen komitmen macam itu masa sampai ini Serangan laporan berikan sebelum ada program tersebut dilakukan oleh Tono di Riau, Anwar dan Purna di Riau bukan pergi orang pesta pakai
Gracious and loving Father, we ask now for your mighty hand to be upon our graduates and their families. Celebrate this grand milestone. May they find support from our community. Continue to grace and support as they journey in this life. Amen.
Selamat terus dan terus pasti. Bukan kita juga